6 steps on how to be an outstanding leader in these times of chaos. The first step is be real, be you. People need your presence right now more than anything else. Know your rituals. What are your rituals? What are your daily habits? Are those daily habits and rituals taking you closer to where you need to be as a leader and as a team, or away from? Know your habits. Know your rituals. Be disciplined. Discipline means that you do things even when you don't feel like doing it, but you know that over the long term you will get the results that you need to get. Trust your inner sat-nav right now in these chaotic times as a leader. It's important to trust the inner sat-nav and also to pay attention. Where are you or your team being willfully blind right now? Collaborate and take more focused action.